going to talk about US REITs and also US REIT ETF. Okay, which one is right for you? And whether should you buy a REITs or should you buy an ETF per se? And actually it applies to stocks also. Depend on what you are looking at. Okay, what you are looking at. So you can see a gap already. Singapore REITs market really cannot beat the US REITs market. 5 years already, Singapore REITs index is still negative, double digit. But all the 4 US REITs index all are positive. We have to look at the global world. The market cap is 2 trillion. Okay, world and US is 1.5 trillion. So what does that mean? It means that 75% of the REITs market cap is in US. And thus this is a market that we cannot ignore. And the rule of ETF is the same. Always look for the big boys. So what does it mean? Below you can just ignore. When it comes to risk investment, size really matters. Okay, size really matters. So this is where they are, and of course, in terms of their margin, they are one of the highest. One thing about this just to highlight is that their 3.6 times net leverage is one of the lowest among all the big boys. They have a proven track record of keep on growth. And this is why I prefer this data center REITs compared to the competitor data center. Their CAGR is one of the best among other REITs. And of course, dividend grow, earning must also grow. So their earning also one of the best. Structured REITs, what do you mean by dividend king? Dividend king is a company that is able to pay for 50 years of increasing dividend. And so what is the conclusion? If you want to buy a REIT ETF, to me and based on the chart, I would prefer to buy a US ETF because it has obviously outperformed Singapore REITs market as a whole.